then, electrical test, gel expectations. All reactions, agglutination, precipitation, is a serological reactions for detection antigens or antibody. And it helps to identification bacteria or find what infections, identification antibody. Then, this test, ELIC gel precipitation test, used for identification toxigenicity strain Corynebacteria diphtheria. It's not for identification bacteria as suspicious. All these species Corynebacteria diphtheria, but some of these produce toxins and cause severe disease of diphtheria. Some no. Then, how to put this test? Put in the middle disk with antibody in which present it's antitoxic serum with antibody. Surround bacteria culture Corynebacteria diphtheria. Cultivation 1 day. After 1 day, we check results. Это обречено. Нет, АБЦ-15. Нет, у нас нет. Ну хорошо, вы там поговорите, если что-то, тогда я могу тебе там старая какая-то стоит, я могу записать. Change precipitation. Хорошо, мы поговорим, это сам. Сейчас я им так расскажу, как бы. Афина, может, это будет, знаете? Okay, then, after 1 day, we read results. If bacteria produce toxins, exotoxins, diffuse and agar, a post-diffuse antibody in place where react antibody and antigens formation line of precipitation. And we may obtain elusive line of precipitation. Then what it means? These strains toxigenic produce toxins, and these strains also toxigenic. This no toxigenic. This toxigenic, this non-toxigenic. Is it clear? This toxigenic, this non-toxigenic. This toxigenic, this non-toxigenic. There, can you see lines? Ring precipitations are Foley reactions. It's usually used for formation ring precipitation for detection antigen bacillus anthracis. For this, we use precipitation serum, .3, 0.5. It describes maybe if you don't. Then, on the corner, I don't know, we add tissue extract in which may be present antigens. Very slowly. Put on this, and if an extract presents antigens between these formations a turbidity ring. Yes, it's not very good, but it's formation. Yes? It's a result of then in extract present antigens. Not very good because it's good reactions. Can you see? If absent, then don't formation of precipitation. Maybe present on control other test tubes for control. How to put control? I only said, but maybe for control antigens, you add normal serum. It should be present in test tubes. It's normal serum, and then on the top antigens. It's a control antigens. For control precipitation serum, the first you add precipitation serum and the next saline solutions. Is it clear? Okay. The next test. Slight agglutination tests. Slight agglutination tests. Then it's test also, yes, for detection antigen of bacteria, for identification bacteria. We take bacteria and take monovalent serum to 13 antigens. Example is identification salmonella. Yes, you're right. It's antigens for O9, it's also second module, O12, and for other HDHGM. What you do? I don't put now. You take a slide, yes, add a drop of this in each of these slides. Then take flame burn, bacteriological loop, take bacteria and add in each of these drops to spread. Sterilize bacteriological loop, the next portion of culture, and the next of this, and spread. After 2 minutes, you may read results. If in bacteria present these antigens, this antibody clumping these bacteria, and you obtain positive reactions. It means clumping. It means that present these antigens. If it's antigens absent, bacteria very good to spread. It's a turbidity of drops, but not clumping in white clump. It's a negative result. After this, teacher gives you identification table, as your textbook and salmonella. And after this, you say what salmonella present. Yes, on this. If it's look what antigen present, identification what salmonella present. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, no.
Okay, then test tubes without test. It's also reaction for agglutination, but it's used for detection antibody. And then also for identification for diagnosis typhoid fever. Then what we're doing? We take patient serum, dilute in saline solutions in 1 and 50, 1 and 2/4, 100, 1, 200, and then dilute. Then we add in each of these after dilutions antigens, standard preparing antigens which cause diagnosticum. And after this, after added diagnosticum, we also prepare control serum, only serum and saline solution, control antigens, only diagnosticum and saline solution. And wait 2 hours. After 2 hours, we may read a first result. How we read results? As formation or no agglutination. If in patient serum present antibody, this antibody agglutinate diagnostic of killing salmonella, and we obtain this. Yes, sedimentation and this clumping. It means a positive result, but we may count amount of antibody. We dilute them. Also positive. Also positive. It's a negative. A large dilution in which present positive results called titer of antibody. It means 1 to 100. It's a titer of antibody. Yes, maybe this patient also, maybe it have a typhoid fever, but for confirmed diagnosis, necessary to repeat this experiment after 10 days, 2 weeks, repeats, and also account titer of antibody. Present. Absent. A large dilution, 800. Titer increase in 4 times, from 200 until 800. Then it's about diagnostics higher titer. It means we may confirm diagnosis, it's a typhoid fever. Without test or dilution test tube agglutination. And the last is a Wassermann reaction. Yes, Wassermann reaction. Oh, it's antibiotics. Okay. Then Wassermann complement fixation test. Complement fixation test. It's a, do you remember this test? No. Complement fixation test. Maybe we don't have time. Okay. What should we set if we extra time find the next Monday after 3 tests? After 5.5. Next Monday after 5.5. Yeah, you may come. 5:30. Okay, about this test, because now I want then you will take microscope and the slide. Take a slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, I take streptococcus. Maybe. No, I give you this 4, 2 slides per week. Oh, 2. Then you now.